Hi there, I'm Adrian from 2OneLab. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing this mask and why I'm in this setting. No, it's not because of COVID. I'm actually in the middle of installing a machine for our client, so let me backtrack a bit. A customer in Montreal ordered two of our 2OneLab printers, the 2CREATE. So naturally, we headed out to the client's place for the installation. Montreal is an amazing city. It's home of the best smoked meat I've ever eaten. And obviously, Morpho Dental Lab. Hands down, one of the coolest dental labs in all of Canada. We at 2OneLab deliver a machine. However, we don't just drop it off and leave you to fend for yourself. We set it up and spend a few days on training on the application and the hardware. Only when everything is running smoothly and we're getting the optimal results do we consider the job done. Morpho is printing partial frames with perfect fitting at breakneck speeds, and that leaves me time for a beer or two in the evening with the customer. And big thanks to the guys at Morpho. It's been a blast. You're all an incredibly professional team.